So this is task 1 of lab 4, and what this task does is it has a 8-bit input, and judging by how many, according to how many of those 8 bits are high, it'll count how many bits are high, and then it'll display how many bits are high on this counter right here. So the way it does this is by it takes a 8-bit input, like I said, and then it shifts all the bits to the right, and then every time a bit is high in the least significant bit or the rightmost position, then the counter will increment by 1. So for as an example here, switches 7 to 0 is our 8-bit input, and we can, let's just say we wanted 5 inputs. Let's just try 5 input number. Any 5 of these switches will do. So I'm just gonna go 6, 5, 3, 1, 2. Switch 8 does nothing. I'll demonstrate later in this video that it actually quite literally does nothing. And then switch 9 is our enable switch or start switch. So once this gets flipped on, the bits will be sent, and then our counter will increment accordingly. So let's just flip it on here, and we can see that it switched to 5 because we have 5 bits in our input, and then an LED also lit up. This is LED 9. This LED basically indicates that the operation is done, and then that we're ready to either reset or try something new, or mainly that's the main purpose because there's nothing else you can really do after this. So we can also press key 0 to reset. So let's just press key 0 here. It goes to 0. And we can, of course, we should probably flip this off because otherwise the program will get confused. So now we can just do like a 2-bit input maybe, and then flip it on. Then we see it goes to 2. We can do 0, and then it'll indicate that there's 0 inputs, and then this LED also lit up, meaning that 0 inputs were detected. And I'll just show you that switch 8 does nothing here, I guess. Why not? So let's just flip 1, 2, 3, 8 on. So this should give us display at 3 because again 8 does nothing, and we can see that it does. Yes. So switch 8 has no impact. It's not used for anything. Again, we can just reset and then just set our values to whatever we want again, to 4 this time, and it'll show 4. And then let's just do all of them for the funsies. And then this will print 8. And it does. So yeah, that's task 1. Thanks for watching.